Assalamu alaikum, dear students. In the series of learning programming in C, we are discussing the pointers in C. In previous videos, we have discussed everything basics about the pointers. We have discussed how to declare pointers, how to initialize the pointers, why pointers, and how to use the pointers in the programming. We have also discussed how to what are the address of operator and the indirection operator in the previous videos. In today's video, that is in pointers part 3, we are going to discuss one more concept, extended concept of pointers in C, that is the pointer to pointer, or we can say a double pointer. In this video, we will discuss what are double pointers or what is pointer to pointer, how we declare pointer to pointer, and how we initialize the pointer. Everything about this concept, pointer to pointer, or we can say double pointers, are going to be discussed thoroughly in this video. So our today's topic is pointer to pointer. Pointer to pointer. Ezkisi at videos muchawis pointer part 3 at muchawis ke pointer to pointer kya go ya double pointer kya chasan. तो double pointer is asan initialize karan, तो it declare karan double pointer. तो उस किन हेकान काफी memory location access करे, value of the memory हेकान access करे through double pointers. तो previous videos में पूछा से indirection pointer indirection operator क्या गो, तो address of operator क्या गो. So let us start this pointer to pointer. Pointer to pointer start करने ब्रोंट. Let us recap how to initialize a pointer. For example, take here. अगर ऐसा pointer int a, here I am going to declare a variable a. That means this declaration tells the compiler to allocate the memory to allocate some memory where I am going to store the integer value. For example, अगर इस memory sheet, memory, actually what is the memory? It's a long type of the bytes. These are the bytes. This has memories. For example, A is a location, memory location, memory location. That is the variable. You have variable. For example, अगर ये touch here A is type integer. That means the memory manager will allocate 4 bytes of memory for this declaration, for this variable. Yen khosre kare si memory manager allocates 4 bytes of memory. For example, this is A. Agar this one A है, तो यह चुका address. For example, its address is 1000. यह था 1001. यह था 1002. यह था 1003. I assume the address of this A, variable A, starts from 1000, then type equals 1001, third one 1002 and 1003. And pointer, I am going to declare a pointer int, which we have already discussed in the previous videos, how to declare a pointer. P is a pointer that is going to store the address of the another variable. Actually, what is the pointer? Pointer is a special type of variable that holds the address of another variable. You should start special variable like that means variable address hold current. That means pointers always store current addresses, not values. अगर मैं initialize करेंगे यह ये बोला int a equal to 10. That means you see memory location है that means this value store गया 10. First of all, it will be converted into binary. When we see binary means convert, so after that it will get stored these locations. ठीक, तो इधर कैसे कोई मैं ब्याह कर declare pointer p, for example, it will also take the 4 bytes of memory. Actually, pointer is also a variable. You check variable आसान. तो यदि variable चु you check memory return, special variable चु you check memory return occupy करन. तो अगर इस assume करा we are using the 32 bits of machine, so it will take how many bits of memory? It will occupy 4 bytes of the memory. For example, अगर इतना चाहिए memory managers current are 0, 3, so now 4 bytes of memory allocated for this pointer. For example, its address starts from 200, you go 201, 202, 200, 201, 202, and 203. For simplicity, you can have this A is a variable, and the value that is going to store in that variable is 10, and address of this is 1000. Actually, is a base address. That means the address of the first byte. Which already in addresses they are in the hexadecimal format. In just a hexadecimal format. But for simplicity, I am assuming here integer. For the understanding purpose, I assume that the address of this memory location is 1000. Actually, it is the address of the first byte, not just address. While it is byte is a half. Axas 3. So, this is the address current. Assume that is the address of the first byte. If I can check the declare of pointer can type of integer. That means pointer option can declare p. For example, this is the pointer p. It's p pointer. Wait. And its address starts from 200 base address. It's a pointer. Issue pointer. Yeli pointer variable as special variable asan. You hold current address of another variable. This is a declaration of pointer. But this p equal to address of a. That means address of a is going to be stored in p. What is the address of a? Address of a is 1000. 1000 will get stored here. That means a points to p points to a. P as such current point का a as one. तो ये क्या use इसे हमारे store. Store में ओतरे use asterisk symbol ची asterisk symbol ची compiler बनान की p is a pointer, not a variable. अगर मैं asterisk symbol करिए खत्म p बना simple variable. It is a p which tells the compiler. It is this asterisk symbol store that tells the compiler that p is a pointer. That means the p can only store the addresses, not the values. Okay, pointers में हैकों values store करिए क्या? Pointers को special variable आसान जब उसे address करांची store. तो it means the p, the pointer p is going to store the address of the variable of the whose type is integer. That means you see p छु या सच तन variable address करान store यमुक type छु integer, use data type छु integer. That means ayuk address करानी store. तो a should actually type integer. जिन्हें मतलब दोनों ये क्या है कि p as such integer type. But it means that p is going to store the address of the variable whose data type is integer. Okay, p is going to store the address of the variable whose data type is integer. Not p is typed integer. And मतलब बोले कि p as such integer type. But it means that p is going to store the address of the variable whose data type is integer. वो p शेक्स कराना address of variable address कराई store 1000 तो ये जो type छु integer. That means ये type छु int तो ये store int. That means store छु pointer use integer type data type of values करान ये address करान छु store whose p. And this is the declaration, the initialization of the pointer. But what is the double pointer? Now question arises, what is the double pointer? Actually it's pointer to pointer. Double pointer is a special type of pointer. It's a pointer that holds the address of another pointer. That stores the address of another pointer. It's a double pointer actually. For example, अगर बनी weakness q, the author variable in weakness pointer, it is q. क्योंकि q already it is a variable. It is a pointer. Pointer चीज आसान name, value and address. For example, अगर ये address छु 300, ये address छु 300, तो इस कारण से store 1000. That means q points to p. That means q stores the address of p. What is? Sorry, not 200. What does this mean? This means 200 is the address of p that is going to store in q. तो क्या जी q शक memory location या फिर address छु But comic address true, P address true. P cache actually it is a pointer. That means Q is also a pointer. Okay, actually pormut कि यु हसा pointer छु सु छु pointer छु variable यु मस address hold करान छु. Q ते छु करा यतनस hold address because this is the address. ये छु address address छु ये छु address and ये छु address. Take care. That means Q is going to store the address. That means 2000 of P. But what is P? P is actually a pointer. P is a pointer. That means Q is a pointer. Q is a pointer. Why is a pointer? Because it is going to store the address. Okay, address is pointer of store. Q is a pointer. Use back pointer of address store. So yes, I'm double pointer. What's a double pointer? It is a special type of pointer. Yeah, it is a special type of variable that holds the address of the another pointer, not a variable. You should variable look karan kya, but you should address karan back pointer hold. That's just one comes a double pointer. Double levels. First level, second level, two level pointer. Two level pointer, a double pointer as one. That means pointer to pointer. You should Q is also pointer. It points to another pointer. That means this pointer stores the address of the another pointer. Address should just was big pointer, big address. That is called a double pointer. So then now how we can declare this Q? Double pointer किसके declaration करना ठीक है Q is pointer, okay? You can declare. But what is Q? Actually, but Q is a pointer. Actually, Q is a pointer. But how the compiler knows that Q is a pointer? By this symbol. You remember it? This asterisk symbol this symbol tells the compiler that this variable is a pointer. You can get the PS this asterisk symbol, star symbol tells the compiler that P is a pointer. That is going to hold the address of the variable whose data type is int. In the same way here, you can take first off Q is a pointer. Q is a pointer. One pointer. Are you getting? Q is one pointer. That is going to store the address of another pointer. You shall say make it point to address store karan chu. So then you pointer int. That means this type of pointer. This is the declaration of the double pointer. You declare karo इसके declaration of double pointer. या pointer to pointer. This is the declaration of the double pointer. What is Q? First star is going to start asterisk symbol check. It tells the compiler that Q is a pointer. That is going to hold the address of the another pointer. This type of integer, that means this pointer. That means address you can say 0 level Q was. 2 level pointer. Kya you can show? Q is a pointer first, it is going to hold this address. Tawal पर मैं yes connect. Hope कि तया समझ एक कि double asterisk क्या है Godnik asterisk है एम खतर use ये करान clear that Q was such a pointer. And second one is asterisk you wanna you kind of address करान store. क्या pointer a variable आसान use बेकी variable look at बेकी pointer address store करान बेकी पुण्य मतलब pointer आसान variable use pointer address रखा बेकी pointer. That means Q is a pointer. You start kind of integer type use block pointer this type. That means अगर you was first level 1 pointer go here. Level 1 pointer. Then you go level 2 pointer. Level 2 pointer. That means level 2 pointer is going to store the address of the level 1. That means level 2 pointer is pointing to level 1. That is going to point to level 0. Because ये consider pointer की variable. Actually, use A address to P address to Q. That means pointer to pointer. So what is the initialize? How we are going to initialize? Q equal to address of. Q was kind of address of P. This is initialization. Initialization of double pointer. Q is a double pointer. So the level, first level is half level, it is 0 level. You go first level pointer, you go second level pointer. Double level, you have to double pointer. This is the declaration of the double pointer and this is the initialization of the double pointer. Hope now you have understand that what is the fun of these two asterisks here and how to declare these double pointers and how to initialize double pointers. Now अगर if we want to access the value of a, if we want to print the value of a, value of a is 10. Actually, value of a क्या 10. Print करना, access करना. How we can access this? There are 3 ways. We can access it through 3 ways. The 3 तरीकों है कोई access करे. Value of a can be accessed through by 3 ways. First, we'll take the instruction. After that, करो सर print क्या %d यहाँ पर %d इस्तेमाल है मौजूद because all these 3 are integer type. They are format specifier of all these variable a मतलब is integer, p is integer, everything. This is a format specifier for integers. ठीक है? यहाँ after a sorry print asterisk p print क्यों print पूछो कितने first print that %d what %d a that means value at a %d a means value at a that means 10 then see that print 10 easy way then one asterisk p मतलब asterisk p which क्या है इसको asterisk p that means दिल बकार p what p क्या है p में क्या p actually stored the address of a PS में क्या address of a because this is the assignment operator is equal to the assignment. That means the value on the right hand side is going to be stored to the variable on the left hand side. That means the address of a. Already we have discussed this address of operator in the previous video in the pointer part 2. There we have discussed the indirection operator as well as this address of operator and also this indirection operator. Everything about this dereferencing or referencing operators have been discussed in the previous video minutely. If you have some confusion, go to that video and then come back to the topic. Address of a. That means what does p store? P stores address of a. Go ps munchu actually address of a. That means store address of a. What is address of a? That is what is address of a? 1000. ps में क्या है? 1000. That means this is the indirection operator. You see indirection says already पिछले वीडियो में डिस्कस कर indirection operator क्या करे indirection operator से return करान the value at the address of a. This operator returns the value at the address, not the address but value at the address. That address पर क्या value? So there are store witness. Don't confuse. Here it is a pointer. Here is the indirection operator. Here I use it asterisk as a pointer. And here I use it asterisk as an indirection operator. Which we have, we can say dereferencing operator. Which we have already discussed in the previous video. Here address at, that is content at address. 1000 sheet. 1000 is content. Value at 1000, that is 10. It can get witness. Let's see that में 10 print. Go way go आपको मैं sorry direct कर रहा a print. Then कर रहा through addresses. पर can one level address. Through the address of p, I can also access. I can also display the contents at a. AS मुझे contents जो values AS मुझे से हर बार करें through ये address की print. Now I want to print. I want to access the value of a through Q. Double pointer रखेंगे. बस इतना या पूरी करूँ. तब खातर क्या कर बा? Take किया now सुकेश स्किन है ये क्या बोलने this is the third one store q that means which store q what does q actually what does q hold q was क्या है actually q was मुझे address of p q equal to address of p that means address of p what is store address of p address of p is 2000 so क्या समझ 2000 अगर मैं इसके ट्राई किया ज्यादा बुझो that means this one can into the asterisk the indirection operator is one store one करेंगे precedence का चाहिए first करेंगे value that means the content the value at address of a ये मतलब वो the value at 2000 2000 which value so guess me so guess value at 200 sorry 200 value at 200 so guess 1000 guess me print agar मैं ये कर print मेरे value at 2000 that means मैं कर भी that means value at 1000 value at 1000 is 1000 so can you check actually what is 1000 it is the address of A that means value at 1000 value at 1000 क्या 100 10 that means 10 guess me that means मैं have print करें दई तरीक have me print करें value of A I am able to access the value of A through 3 ways first one directly by accessing the value P by printing this value directly that means percent A second one through one level pointer and third one through two level pointer you go two level pointer you go one level pointer declaration of first level pointer one level pointer no one level and two level pointer go later to the two level points pointer points to first level pointer which points to zero level pointer actually zero level pointer छ हम सुचासा variable तो ऐसा कब ये chain was बढ़ रही थी या उन्हें chain of pointers after कोई डाक उन्हें chain of pointers we can also increase for example बकरे में डाक में I want to hope कि नमाज समझ नम त्रानवी चीज देखना now डाक का pointer का weakness में declare इधर होगा or is another pointer क्या वो pointer की variable is big variable address access करना story address क्या है तरह for example या छु so what छु ये address but that means r is a pointer but whose pointer it is a 3 level pointer 1 level pointer int 2 level pointer and 3 level pointer int or the pointer that stores the address of the queue that means 2 level pointer where that and queue stores the address of the level 1 pointer and level 1 pointer stores the address of the 0 level pointer that's the variable so you should say level 3rd what is the declare it which r is pointer okay r का current is r you got current point 2 level pointer that means r to pointer ये pointer to तेल में हम स्टार से क्या जी s to simplicity ताकि कंपाइलर फर्क पता कि r से pointer is variable के that going to point to this q is a 2 level pointer and its data type is int this is declaration of the 3rd level pointer this is 3 level pointer initialization करो इसका r equal to address of r हम क्या address of q r function address of q what it can अगर मैं यहाँ से I can access also the value of a through this r बहर के ये लोग value access के लिए कैसे कर r से किसके बल्कि m डायरेक्ट लाइन print है क्या ये हो उतना है किसके है को print करने display करने value of a through q p यहाँ a तस्वीर तरीकों को में तो now I am going to display I am going to access the value of a through r print है percent d r that means कुछ किसके that means you should can of and direction operator z threat don't confuse here is the pointer symbol here is the indirection operator r what does r contain r में क्या है actually address of q go r to actually address of q that means address of q what is address of q is 300 sorry ये मतलब क्या है जल्दी करें that is content at the address पे क्या content है so that means one level पे कौन वास content at प्रहा चुई ताकि क्या चुई जात कौन वास ये कर वन नंगा सीधी instruction execute that is content as जात so क्या चुई so चुई sauce के जात का sauce but we lost that is content at value at sauce catch 10 it can get me print it 10 so I hope now you have fully you have now understood the pointer to pointer, how we can access the value through pointers, or what is chain of pointers. तो अस हेको chain of pointer हेको अस increase ति करित यूता अस जसो त्यूता हेको अस increase कर by increasing these asterisk symbols. Yetness this is declaration of two level double pointer, this is declaration of 3 level pointer, this is 4 level pointer. This can हेको initialize the ये करित. Hope now I am sure you have understood how to declare a 1 level point, 2 level pointer, 3 level pointer, or what is pointer to pointer, or what is double pointer, and how we can access the value of the variable through the pointers. So inshallah in the next video, that is in pointer part 4, we will discuss another concept of the pointers. Till next video, take care, bye bye.